Hola mi gente, hello my people, ¿cómo estás? How are you? Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Celeste. It has been over a year since I posted my last video. I went on a little hiatus, but I wanted to say that I am sorry and I am back. So I hope that you guys come back and enjoy all of my videos that I have planned for you guys. I already have some videos already ready for you guys, so be on the lookout for those. I am probably going to be posting 2 to 3 times a week now. On this channel, I'm going to be doing some makeup tutorials. You know, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't claim to be. I learned how to do makeup a couple of years ago, so I just want to help everybody else who's beginning or starting out learn how to do their makeup the same way that I did and learn my techniques. So hopefully everybody can follow me and it'll help them to grow themselves. Hopefully I'll be doing some more singing and poetry videos as well as some vlogs for you guys. So anything that you want to see done, please put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and families, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Alright, so that being said, I hope that you and I can enjoy our journey together on this channel. Alright, so I hope that you guys all stay safe. God bless, and I will see you soon. Ciao.